You remember you used to meet us out? That college bar on Smith?
Yes.
You were like the queen of karaoke.
Yeah.
You were always so generous. You never let us pay for anything. You must have spent a fortune on pizza and ranch.
Well, I mean, you guys were broke. I'm really nice.
Yeah, I remember you, Helen. I remember you seemed to really like your life. And you laughed all the time.
Yeah, I was young. I didn't have as much responsibility.
You're still really young.
Yeah? Yeah, we're both young. Look at us, two young people in the wilderness.
So a bear gets us.
Right.